In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Replit these days, SMH. Replit has evolved a lot, and the biggest shift is how you begin building. Instead of starting with a blank file, most people now start by talking to the Replit agent. To do that, click the Create button and describe your app in plain English. You can say something like, build a calorie tracker with a dashboard and a Supabase backend. The clearer your description, the better the starting point you'll get. Mention the features you care about, the kind of data you want to store, and any interface elements that matter. Once you submit your idea, the agent takes over the heavy lifting. It writes the code, sets up the database, installs the necessary packages, and configures deployment settings for you. Give it a moment to work. You'll see files appear, dependencies get added, and environment settings configured automatically. If the first draft isn't perfect, just refine your prompt and ask the agent to adjust or extend the app. Think of it as a collaborative partner. You describe, it implements, and you iterate together. Now let's get oriented in the new workspace layout. Replit is now tab-based and feels a lot like a modern code editor. Your files pane is still on the left, but it's often hidden to give you more screen space. If you don't see it, click the folder icon on the left edge, or press Ctrl+K and search for files to bring it into view. From there, you can browse folders, open files and tabs, and rename or move things around as needed. On the far left, you'll also notice the tool dock. This is where you'll find essentials like secrets, shell, and git. Use secrets to store sensitive values securely, so you don't hardcode them in your files. The shell is your terminal for running commands and inspecting your environment. And Git helps you track changes and manage versions of your project, which is especially useful as the agent generates code and you continue to tweak it. Finally, keep an eye on the console. It typically appears as a tab along the bottom or the right side of the workspace. This is where you'll see output from your application, logs, and error messages. If something doesn't run as expected, the console is your first source of clues, and it can guide both you and the agent to the next fix. That's the new flow. Describe the app, let the agent build, and navigate with the updated workspace tools.